Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're doing a tempered glass for the ZTE Blade Z Max from Mr. Shield. So, start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow! Alright guys, so here we have a tempered glass. That's for your Blade Z Max from Mr. Shield. So, I'm gonna make this video quick. Hopefully I don't mess up. I actually picked this up for, I think, for $7 or something like that from Amazon. I will have a link down below in the description box. So let's see how many you get. So it looks like you get 2 or 3. So you get 2 here, and you have your kit here. So you should have your microfiber cleaning cloth. And if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Let me focus in on that. There you go. You guys can check that out, Mr. Shield. So it's not the first time I've actually did a video on a Mr. Shield product, but it's the first time I'm going to do this on a ZTE device. So let's see what happens. So you do have a nice little kit here, guys, so you always should clean out your phone first, and that's why you get this little packaging here. So let's just take this out. Pop this baby open, see what it looks like. So you have your alcohol prep pad, you got your microfiber cleaning cloth, and you have your stickers, and you have the stickers that I like to use, which is like the bigger one, so that's better. So let's just take out your alcohol prep pad, toss that to the side, and you got to clean off your phone really good. And I always suggest to have the phone off and to be careful of the earpiece speaker there. So you gotta be really careful, but you just gotta make sure that it's clean. Alright, so we have a little microfiber cleaning cloth. Just gotta rub it down just like that. And most likely it's not going to be perfect because a lot of these microfiber cleaning cloths have small little dirt particles on them. So for this part, you're just cleaning it off. It's like a car wash, you could say. And then that's where the stickers come in. That's my Twitter feed. So then you take out the sticker, pop this off, and now you're going to get all the little particles you missed all over the phone. And you gotta make sure that it doesn't look like anything. So I might have to use another microfiber cleaning cloth because this didn't really take out everything. So let me just try to clean it off. Try it one more time because it's actually leaving marks, honestly. But that's not that. That's probably from my phone. So just clean it off. Really good. Just like that. So let me just do it from this side. I can't really see. Alright. So it should be good there. Use a sticker. Alright guys, so now it's time to add the tempered glass. Peel it off from the top. Place it right by the head, by the earpiece, and the button. I will go by the button for this one. Just drop down. So are these one of those ones that you don't, that all the adhesive is on the side maybe? So it looks like it flowed pretty well. It's a lot of fingerprints for right now, but see what it looks like here. Alright guys, so it looks okay for now. I don't see any problems so far, but if I do have any problems, I will link it down below in the description box. But it looks fairly well for right now. Alright guys, so that's about it for the video. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this, the Blade Z Max and Super Shield products. So to the next video guys, peace.